Taking a look at some of the sheath knives, the full tang non-folding knives. I would call these the medium camping or bushcraft knives from my collection. Starting at the left here, we have the Smith & Wesson M2.0. This one's made in China, partially serrated blade, very thin, kind of a rubberized grips. I really like that one. It's lightweight and sleek. Next up is the Cloud Peak from CIVIVI. This one is made in China also. Very well made, really nice knife. All of these have scabbards or sheaths above as well. This one has a leather sheath. Next up is the Grow EF130. I definitely call this a bushcraft. It's got the place to do batoning there. Real nice knife, made in China, very heavy. Next up we have the Joker. This one is made in Spain. Very nice, well-made knife, natural wood handle, great shape, super strong. Another one with a leather sheath. Then we have the B&P or BPS knives made in Ukraine. G10 handle, super strong, really nice shape and well designed. Comes with this Kydex scabbard. Next we get to the knives made in USA. And this first one is the Tops Eagle Shadow, another bushcraft knife, very thick, great steel. You can just tell by holding this one how well made this one is, a little heavier than some of the others. Then we get to an Essie. This is an SE4. The Rowan, very nice, well made USA knife. And then last up is the Gerber, made in Portland. More of a production style, again with a rubber grip, kind of back to a military look. So a bunch of different knives from a bunch of different countries, different blade styles, different grip handle or handles materials and shapes, different scabbards and sheaths, all very well made, all great for their points. Hope this has helped.